Go. Audio Jungle.
Morning viewers, I am Miss Maulina from 1 the 12 MIPA Group 4. Will accompany you with hot, current topics for the next few minutes on the news program.
Contents. The millennial generation is certainly no stranger to the TikTok application. Wherever, whenever, you can easily make this 15 to 60-second video. So easy that there is no day without TikTok. But what if you were addicted, and what are the consequences? To answer this question, let's discuss some opinions from residents around Seman to Subang.
The opinion of Mrs. Triningsih has two impacts for TikTok application user, namely positive and negative. Positive, lots of people who share knowledge, trick to solve puzzles, and others negative. There are also many content creators who make videos that are not suitable for viewing by children who are not old enough, which can have an impact on their behavior.
In your opinion, there are two impacts. There are negative and positive. The negative impact is that when students open the TikTok application, they sometimes forget when they want to see TikTok 5 minutes, but they don't feel like hers. Then the content is sometimes a lot of things that are not suitable for students. The positive thing is that there are some motivation video about learning scan and for fine.
Therefore, for Master Fatur, there are two impacts for the TikTok application. Use are positive and negative. Positive for news update, innovation development, exercise facilities, and so on. Negative, inhibiting the growing ability to socialize with the world.
The opinion of the Mr. Tatang. There are good and bad TikTok. The good thing is the own creativity, especially for young children. Well, the bad thing is that sometimes when we open TikTok, we like to forget the time.
The opinion of search engine. There are two impacts for use of the TikTok application, namely positive and negative. The negative impacts of TikTok is wasting time and directing someone to bully. The positive impacts is teaching children to be brave and responsible for appearing in public if used in positive context.
Opinion of Mr. Dimas is that there are two positive and negative impacts for TikTok application user. This application can encourage one's creativity in making a work. Negative, a lot of videos that are unnatural to watch and inappropriate to imitate, because TikTok users are not only adults but there are also small children.
The opinion of Miss upon two impact for TikTok application users, namely positive and negative. Positive as an application that can encourage one's creativity in making a work. Negative, there are many inappropriate videos that serve as bad examples for the behavior of today youth and children.
The opinion of Search Diki. There are two impacts for use of the TikTok application, namely positive and negative. Some of the negative impacts of use the application are syndromic, sexual harassment, and lack of association with people around. This TikTok application positive facilitates the developmental characteristic of teenagers, where they can be free to be creative, also expand their network of friends.
The opinion of the security guard Zakaria, there are two impacts for user of the TikTok application, namely positive and negative. First, positive. Many smart people give their knowledge to TikTok users such as Jerome Pauline, Farhan Jijima, and others. Second, negative. There are also many content creators who present video with the theme of pornography and become FYP. Second, negative. There are also many content creators who present video with the theme of pornography and become FYP.
In my opinion, there is a good side and a bad side. It's good to be able to creativity. For those who like to sing, dance, it can be channeled through TikTok. Negative. There is content that is inappropriate, either in terms of clothing or the form of the content if sell those to fit. Also, if you use TikTok, you lose track of time, so your study team is reduced and students find it difficult to manage their team because they open too many social media, including TikTok.
Most of the initial information on our meeting on news today. I am Adinda Natasha, presenting all the friends and a group. Thank you, good morning, and goodbye.